So based on that statement, the court will grant the motion to dismiss with no traverse from the state. So that is dismissed. That, however, does not address the two.
That's
infractions.
correct, Judge. I mean, I filed it under the same issue, but if the court would consider withholding on those, my client would be willing to pay those fines if he could have 90 days to do so.
So cannot withhold on the refusal, but I will adjudicate 500 on the refusal and dismiss the other.
Come on up, everyone. Let me make sure you're taking part in this, if you don't mind. I know you're here.
I didn't know you were here, sir.
No, that's all right. I announced for the court he was, but, so, may I, Judge?
Yeah.
And Judge, just for the record, would you repeat, was it $500 fine, adjudicate on the refusal, and what's the remainder? Or was that it?
The other infraction for restricted area
Merge and
violation,
dismiss.
merge and dismiss that with the plea to the other.
So, $500 fine, adjudicate. Sounds good. Judge, I've reviewed that with my client. He would be agreeable to that.
Okay, Mr. Williams, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down, please tell me your name and date of birth.
Lloyd Williams, November 15, 1999.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, ma'am.
You are with us today for a civil infraction of refusal to submit to a breath test. Have you had enough time to speak with your attorney about that?
Yes.
Do you have any more questions for him?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you have accepted responsibility for the civil infraction of refusal. I will adjudicate you guilty and give you 90 days, is that good, to pay the $500?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With that plea, the court will merge and dismiss 25 IN 1419, so that ticket will be dismissed. You just have to worry about the one.
Wonderful.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, that's all I have before the court.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Your Honor, I have Emil Sanchez, 2025 CT 75. As the court will recall, Mr. Cotton handled the first part of the motion to suppress hearing. There was testimony by the arresting officer. There was a video that was now provided to us, and the court, my understanding, said it would take the matter under advisement pending.
That's not on this docket, though.
Okay.
What's the last name?
Sanchez.
You don't have it either, do you, Auntie?
No, this one, I'm checking it.
I was just told that the court would review it on September 24th.
Judge, when we were at the hearing,
Yep.
when we were at the motion to suppress hearing, the officer testified, we were waiting on a video.
Right.
Ms. Rodriguez provided the video, and you said, we'll take it back up on the 24th.
Okay.
So I just operated on the assumption that that was our new court date, although I didn't get a notice.
No, we should have added it. Tell me the case number.
It is
Thank you, Mr.
25
Ross.
CT
Yes,
75.
Oh, my God. Log in. 2025 CT
Yes, ma'am.
75.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Angie?
Yes,
Okay. Sanchez Andino. After reviewing the video, does that change anything about your motion?
It adds to my motion.
Okay, so it sounds like we need to hear the rest of that then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so. We need a new motion date for that. Is that what I'm hearing? Yeah, it does say continuance to 9/24, so I'm not sure why it wasn't put on the docket. But let's give it a new court date so I can hear the rest of that motion. Does that sound good?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that what you're asking for? Okay. October 20th at 9 a.m.
We'll be here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be here. Thank you, 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 ma'am. We'll be here. And that's all I have, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Got all that, Angie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it does say on the minute sheet today, so I don't know what happened there.
I apologize, I'm not sure.
Oh, no, you're good. Mr. Durrell?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Please record, Justin Durrell. This is my client, Mr. Jay Trainer.
Yes.
This is 24 CT 2508, I believe. Yes. And we're still ready for trial, Your Honor. This is a DUI and refusal. There's a motion to bifurcate. I believe Ms. Rodriguez says she has no objection to that, obviously.
I have that set on this afternoon. Is that for that motion?
Oh,
I mean, I'll do it right now. I'm just,
if we can do it right now, yes, Your Honor. I apologize.
no, that's okay. Ms. Rodriguez, do you have no objection to the motion?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. So the motion to bifurcate is granted. Is this one that is set for trial this cycle, or were you the one who needed it passed till the November cycle?
I believe we'd be ready to do it this cycle,
Okay.
Your Honor.
To the state?
The state's ready for trial, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have somewhere else to be this morning?
Me, Your Honor? No?
And I'm asking that because I'll need to see what else gets set, and then I can give you a day for a trial.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much. And, Your Honor.
Or actually, if you want to come, is it better for you to come back at 1:30 and then we can,
I can come back at 1:30.
let's do that.
Okay, sounds good. Will Mr. Trainer need to be present for 1:30, Your Honor?
Not as long as you're willing to tell them what we decide.
I can let him know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Patel is outside, oh, no, you're right there. Good, Mr. Patel.
Good morning, Judge. I have two cases before the court. The first one, Jay Patel on behalf of Matthew Snellgrove. I understand there may be some complications as to why I can't tender the plea to you. Based upon it, we had to make a change.
Can I see it?
Of course. Can I approach?
Mm-hmm. Gotta help me breathe. Gotta help me breathe.
And Judge, that change was a scrivener's error, and I initialed
Is
it.
that your initial?
It is.
Do you need me to initial it too, or is it fine if the defense attorney initials
It's
it?
fine, that's fine. I'll accept it, it's not too messy. Okay, so that one's done.
Next, Judge Jay Patel on behalf of Jessica Whitten. She's present and approaching.
Hi.
And Judge, we are back before the court. If the court recalls, we had a motion hearing back in August. We were ready for trial. The officer was apparently on okay?
FMLA,
Yeah. Well, he's on leave, but he was in training in county.
okay.
And so we set the court dates for trial on October 7th and 8th and review for today. We were ready for trial.
The state's ready for trial as well, Your
Okay.
Honor.
This was the first one set, so how many days do you think this will be?
Each one, so it's a DUI and a refusal, so I would suspect that it would be a pick and go for each.
Okay? State agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you looking for Tuesday, Wednesday, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So we will do the refusal on Tuesday, October 7th.
Judge, may we approach?
Sure. All motions and jury instructions need to be in by Friday at noon. And then,
Back on Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse.
yeah,
on
Friday at noon.
Historic
And
Main
then
Street. Handmade pastries.
if we need to have any conversations, we can do it next Tuesday or Wednesday.
7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Serving lunch from 11 to 2. Hope to see you soon.
All right, before we go, I need to do the formal revocation and all that with Ms. Whidden. So Ms. Whidden, if you would raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm that your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Jessica Whidden, January 15th, 1990.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are charged with refusal to submit to a test for alcohol and to driving under the influence. The state had previously made you an offer. And to the state, can you put those offers on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. For the refusal in 25 CT 103, the offer was an adjudication of guilt, a $500 fine, $476.73 in court costs, 11 months and 29 days on probation, 50 hours of community service, 6 months driver's license suspension, multiple offender DUI school, victim impact panel, and 10-day vehicle impound. And then, that was the offer in the 25 CT 104 case.
Is that a concurrent offer in both?
No, Your Honor. So-
Okay, so this was on the DUI,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay?
And so for the offer in 25 CT 103, the refusal would have been an adjudication of guilt, a $1,000 fine, $501.73 in court costs, 11 months and 29 days on probation, 50 hours of community service, 6 months driver's license suspension, multiple offender DUI school, victim impact panel, 30-day vehicle impound, and a 1-year interlock. And that would have been on the refusal.
Can y'all approach?
Alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briarpatch Realty. Helping qualified heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com.
All right, so Ms. Whidden,
CQ Roofing,
it would have
hometown
been
roofer.
a concurrent probation, but not necessarily the same conditions for those probations. That was the offer that I understand. You're rejecting that offer, is my understanding, and you understand that if we proceeded to trial, you could be sentenced up to the statutory maximum, which I believe would be 11 months, 29 days, as this would be a second. Do you understand? In the county jail.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm not saying I will sentence you to that if you're convicted, but just so you know what could happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and understanding that, you want to formally reject the offer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are set to do what's called a pick and go, which means on Tuesday, October 7th, we will pick a jury in the morning and then proceed to trial immediately on one of your cases. The very next day, we'll come in with a new jury, pick from that pool, and then proceed on the second case.
Yes, ma'am.
Regardless of the outcome in the, well, I don't know, which I'll work out. So we will see what's what, and I'll see you on Tuesday, October 7th.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I don't believe I have anything further on the docket.
No?
I'm
Okay,
always
thank you.
surprised. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Rare? Stepped out, Miss Merrifield.
Oh, Your Honor.
TJ, can you see where Garrett is?
Mr. Laird,
No, I was looking for Mr. Garrett.
Mr. Garrett said yes.
Okay, I'm just making sure he's close, because after you, that he's,
Was this, who was up here?
Brandy.
Oh, sorry.
I just want to walk off with it. Good morning, Your Honor. David Rare for Miss Natasha Wlette with an O.
Okay,
For Miss Wlette, Judge, we're set for trial, and we're leaving it set for the week of October 6th.
you're gonna leave it set in what?
Leave it set for trial the week of October 6th.
Okay, how many jurors?
I think 22 is fine. I know
Okay.
the court said you're not available Monday that week.
And Mr. Patel just took Tuesday, Wednesday.
All righty. I believe Ms. Sharpless is handling the case and said she couldn't do Thursday, if I'm correct.
I think we can resolve that issue, Judge. That was the day my FDLE analyst cannot be here. However, I think if we can talk
Okay.
about something on the record, I think that we can resolve that Thursday issue. So we may be able to do it on Thursday, Friday. if we need to.
Is it a 2-day trial?
No,
It
ma'am.
should be a one-day
It-
trial.
Well,
It
then
should be
I'll
weekend.
just do Friday. That way you don't have an issue to be had.
That's, yeah, Friday's fine, Judge.
Okay, is that all right with you, Mr. Ray?
That should be fine, Judge.
Okay, so Friday, October 10th, 22 jurors, all motions and jury instructions by Friday at noon. I do have Tuesday and Wednesday next week that if we need to have some kind of hearing or whatever on any motions, we'll do that when we see what comes in Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the state's offer in this case?
Your Honor, the state's offer was the minimum mandatories on a first offense DUI, so adjudication of guilt, 11 months and 29 days of probation, level 1 DUI school, one session of the victim impact panel, 6 months driver's license suspension, 10-day vehicle impound, $500 fine, $476.73 in court costs, 50 hours of community service, and no drugs except prescribed and no alcohol.
Okay. Ma'am, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Natasha Wlette, 11/18/1982.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand that do you understand that you are set for trial to go Friday, October 10th?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is currently offering you probation with first offender minimums, which means even if you are convicted at trial, that is the least possible sentence you can get. If you're found not guilty, of course, you get nothing, but if you're convicted, what they're offering you is the lowest you would possibly get. Do you understand? If you're convicted, the highest you could possibly get is 9 months in the county jail. I'm not saying I will give you that, I just need you to note that that's a possibility. Do you understand?
And Judge, I believe for the record, she blew under the limit twice. The state has offered a reckless previously. I'm not sure they remember that today. Also, the maximum jail sentence would be 6 months, not 9 months for a first DUI.
Okay, well, 6 months in the county jail. Sure about that?
And yes, Judge, we had previously offered a reckless for the last jury review date that was set, and she elected not to take that offer and elected to proceed to trial. So the state had previously revoked that offer. So the offer for today would have been the first offense.
Offender minimums? Okay. Having said that, you want to reject the first offender minimums and proceed to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will see you Friday, October 10th. We will pick the jury first thing in the morning and try it shortly after, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Judge, one more thing. The defense had previously filed a motion to suppress the urine results in this case that the state had stipulated to. I just want to make sure it's the court's order that neither party will talk about the results of the urine test during the trial.
And I believe Mr. Lupella was here at that last court date for the motion, but that's my understanding that it was announced that no party would address or raise urine results, results of urine analysis, collection urine sample,
There's no reference whatsoever to urine in the case at all by either party.
Okay, that will be the court's order.
The state wanted to make sure that the defense would know that the FDLE expert will be released from her subpoena after that.
Which satisfies that Thursday, Friday thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the record, the blow was below a .15, below .08 based on what you're telling me?
Yes.
Okay. Because it can be 9 months if your blood alcohol was above a
correct.
.15 on a first offender minimum, but I had to check myself, so I appreciate that clarification, so it would only be 6 months. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Next judge I've got is Dilly Romero Jaramillo. And Judge, this one's on me. It was set for a status hearing today rather than a full continuance. I meant to get up with the state. I did not have time. That was on me. I'm just asking to bump this back out to the next pretrial, and I'll get up with the state hopefully this week.
October 13th at 1:30.
And Judge, same thing for Harold Romero Perez, co-defendants in the same case, same issue, asking for the October 13th pretrial.
1:30 on October 13th.
And that's all I have, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Merrifield?
Yes, ma'am. Brittany Merrifield on behalf of Jesse Torres and 24 CT 569. And Judge, we have reached an agreement, if I may approach.
You may. Thank you.
And Judge, Mr. Torres does not require fingerprints as noted on the plea. He does reside out of state. He is being provided the QR code and instructed to check in with probation today.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
And that's all I had on the docket.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Garrett?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Your Honor, first on the docket, I have Alfredo Marino, 25 CT 469. Mr. Reed, go ahead.
Is the public defender coming today, or? They do? Mr. Marino, give me 2 seconds. Can one of the state attorneys reach out to Ms. Yeski and see if they're coming today? They have two defendants here. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chris Garrett on behalf of Alfredo Marino. We're going to enter a change of plea and enter a plea of no contest to a stipulated under .15 DUI first offense. It'll be an adjudication of guilt, 11 months and 29 days of probation. The fine will be $500. The court costs will be
$476.73.
$476.73. And then 50 hours of community service work. Reserve on restitution for 180 days. Random UAs and breath testing. First offender DUI school, 1 session of the victim impacts panel, 6-month driver's license suspension, and 10-day vehicle impound. He would request permission from the court to pay off the community service hours at the statutory rate, and it's an agreement from the state that probation may convert to administrative probation after 6 months if all requirements are complete and no violations. And I'm not sure if there are any citations associated with this.
I don't have them on my docket if they are.
Okay.
Is that the state's agreement?
You're under no drugs except prescribed and no alcohol during probation, but otherwise, yes.
All right. Do the parties stipulate to a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
We do. Sir, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Alfredo Marino, August 10, 1981.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication? Do you understand that by entering this plea, you give up your right to a trial where the state would have to prove that you were guilty?
Yes.
And if for any reason you're in the country illegally, any plea could affect your immigration status to include deportation?
I mean,
It may not apply to you, but do you understand that if it did, that's a thing? I have to say that to everybody, so please don't take it personally. Have you had enough time to speak with your attorney?
Yes.
And you're satisfied with his representation?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I will accept your plea of no contest as freely and voluntarily entered. I will adjudicate you guilty and place you on probation for 11 months and 29 days. During that time, you must complete DUI school, 1 session of the victim impact panel, and 50 hours community service. Though you may buy the community service out at the statutory rate, probation can talk to you about that. There's a $500 fine, $476.73 in court cost. Your license will be suspended for 6 months, your vehicle impounded for 10 days. I will order restitution, but reserve jurisdiction as to the amount for 180 days. You will be subjected to random urine and breath tests, and you may have no drugs or alcohol without a prescription. The deputy will need to take your prints, and then I'll ask you to step to that jury box, and probation will get you started. Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, Chris Garrett on behalf of Adam Mosher, 25 CT 213, is approaching Your Honor. Your Honor, we're going to enter a change of plea and enter plea of no contest to an amended first offense driving while license suspended charge. There'll be an adjudication of guilt, $300 in court costs, show proof of valid driver's license or eligibility. We'd ask for 90 days to pay the fines and court costs. And I believe there was a citation for an open container. We just asked that be merged and dismissed.
So just adjudicate 300?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
90 days to pay.
Is that the state's agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm that your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put your hand down, tell me your name and date of birth.
Adam Mosher, 10/01/1987.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand that by entering this plea, you give up your right to a trial where the state would have to prove that you were guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And if for any reason you're in the country illegally, any plea could affect your immigration status to include deportation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do the parties stipulate to a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mosher, do you need any more time to talk to Mr. Garrett?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll accept your plea as freely and voluntarily entered. I will adjudicate you guilty and give you 90 days to pay $300 in cost. I will also merge and dismiss 25 TR 917, so that ticket has gone away. And the deputy will take your prints. You're good to go. Thank you.
And Your Honor, he does have his driver's license on him. I should just show that.
To this
Is there anybody who should show that to?
state.
To the state? Okay. Good to go.
And
Then,
just
Your
for the
Honor-
record, he has shown proof of license in court.
Then, Your Honor, in present, I have Dean Wood, 25 CT 887. Mr. Wood is approaching. Your Honor, we're going to enter a change of plea and enter a plea of no contest to a stipulated under .15 first offense DUI.
Ooh, what's that case number?
It is 25 CT 887.
I only show the TR, so.
Oh. Is the actual case not on the docket?
Do you show any? It's gonna be now.
It's going to be now. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good, Your Honor. And then, so it'll be an adjudication of guilt, 11 months and 29 days of probation, $500 fine, $476.73 in court costs, 50 hours of community service work that he'd request permission from the court to pay off at the statutory rate, DUI school, 1 session of the victim impact panel, 6-month driver's license suspension, 10-day vehicle impound, and I believe the state was okay with allowing immigrants to go to administrative probation after 6 months if all requirements are completed, no violations.
Okay.
And then, Your Honor, there is a citation for improper backing. And if I didn't announce it, there's also no alcohol while on probation and no use or possession of any controlled substance without a doctor's prescription, random UAs, and random breath testing.
That state's agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the
And
only thing is, the state would like to reserve restitution to the victim.
You go with that?
Yes, Your Honor. I thought I announced that.
All right. And the parties stipulate to a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Dean Robert Wood, and September 4th, 1991.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand by entering this plea you give up your right to a trial where the state would have to prove that you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And if for any reason you're in the country illegally, any plea could affect your immigration status to include deportation?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had enough time to speak with Mr. Garrett?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're satisfied with his representation?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I will accept your plea of no contest as freely and voluntarily entered. I will adjudicate you guilty and place you on probation for 11 months and 29 days. During that time, you must enter into and complete DUI school, 1 session of the Victim Impact Panel, and 50 hours community service. You may buy the community service hours out at the statutory rate, and probation will talk to you about that. You must pay a $500 fine, $476.73 in court costs, and I will order restitution but reserve jurisdiction as to the amount for 180 days. Your license will be suspended for 6 months, your vehicle impounded for 10 days, no drugs or alcohol without a prescription, and you will be subjected to random urine and breath.
Yes.
And I think I said everything. So the deputy will take your prints, probation will meet with you to get started. Oh, and I will merge and dismiss 25 TR 4147.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Then finally, Your Honor, Chris Garrett on behalf of Brenda Oviedo Saravia, 24 CT 2485. We'd ask that this be set for pretrial. Still trying to work something out with the state. My understanding is that otherwise she intends to enter a plea.
10/13 at 1:30.
Your Honor, is that going to be in person or by Zoom?
Oh, in person?
Is in person. Okay, just make sure. All right, thank you, Your Honor. And last question. What time is vet court staffing tomorrow?
I forgot it was Wednesday. 9.
9 a.m. Thank you, Your Honor. I will see you there. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Mr. Catalinic?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Your Honor, I have one case on the docket today. It's Mr. Matthew George Bielecki, case number 25 CT 1131. Your Honor, can we continue this case for one round? We have an amended plea offer, and it will give him some time to take care of business before our next court date, and I'm sure we can get this done. I think I can get a plea in to the court as soon as this gets done. Plea in abstention.
Okay, so it'll be October 13th at 1:30.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. On this one? Bielecki, yeah, it shows no attorney on the docket.
It's showing.
Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize, I was downstairs.
No, you're good. I just want to make sure you had time to get set.
If I could have 2 seconds to talk to the state's attorney before we start.
Sure.
Me. Yeah, I can't do it. It's not my case. I saw that they have a video of this in the circuit court. And I said, let him do the video of he's this is funny to this is not going to
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whatever case you're ready on first.
I'm sorry.
I think Ms. Rodriguez.
Ms. Reed's going to zoom in. She said she didn't get a notice on it.
Take 2, I think we're okay.
Okay, so do you have the inmates up?
I do.
Let's start with Mr. Mathias.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Mathias. We're ready for Mr. Mathias.
While we're waiting, do you have any out of custody? David Palkowski, is he out of custody?
Your Honor, the state filed a no cross in that case.
Okay.
Your Honor, the only ones that I have are Mathias, Thompson, and St. John. And St. John.
Kervin St. John's not here. What's your name, sir?
Oh, we're Timothy Neary.
Timothy, what's your last name?
Neary, N-E-R-I.
Judge, I saw him on this afternoon's docket.
So Timothy, your case is at 1:30 with Mr. McKinney.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess you don't have that file, huh, Shane?
I do not, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. You want to come back at 1:30?
Yeah, I mean, I'll have to call my job and tell them that I won't meet her on time. But,
What are we here for today? Are we having?
This was for the suspended, driving on
Right.
suspended. And, from the previous appearance, you know, I had received body camera footage, you know, and information, but I'm just trying to get it settled.
Okay,
I've made appearances since June.
right. Are you coming back at 1:30?
Your Honor, Mr. Coach Koch, will be here. I've got Baker Acts at 1:30.
And Ms. Shesky's not here today?
She is not, she's in Minnesota.
Okay.
But he'll be here this afternoon to cover for that.
Okay. Here, Mr. Neri, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue your case till October 13th at 9 a.m. Because it doesn't sound like your attorney's gonna be here either way, the ones who know what's going on. You don't have to come back this afternoon. I will just handle it, but just come back October 13th at 9 a.m., okay?
9?
Yes.
Okay.
For sure. Thank you. Mr. Mathias, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Ms. Reed, give us 1 second. Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, you go, Shane.
Just a copy like a card or something with October 13th.
Yeah, TJ, can you give him a sheet from the podium, and I'll write the date in? While they're talking, Ms. Reed, do you have Alexis Guest?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. Alexis Guest, 25NN1409. I believe this case was set on today's docket for status.
Okay.
I have finalized both of my motions, a motion to dismiss as well as a motion to suppress. I'm going to send those motions over to the prosecutor's office today to review to see if a hearing is necessary. So I just ask that it be put on. If it is, then we'll be in contact with obviously your office to get a hearing date.
Okay.
So Judge, I think just asking to put it maybe on pretrial,
Okay.
knowing that
That's cool.
the motions are fine, but I just need to figure out what the state wants to do after they have time to review both motions.
All right, so October 13th at 1:30.
Thank you, and Your Honor, I do apologize for not appearing earlier. Something must have got lost in the paperwork. I meant no disrespect to the court.
Oh, no, you're good. Thank you, Ms. Reed.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. All right, we're ready on Mr. Mathias?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Mathias has a felony case that is set for a VOP hearing.
Okay.
I think that all matters will be resolved at that time. I'm going to ask this be reset to that same date.
Which is?
I don't have that in my notes, Your Honor. I apologize.
I
believe it's October 15th.
That's your felony date?
I believe.
Okay, so I'm going to put this on October 20th at 9 a.m. Mr. Mathias, if it all goes away on the 15th, you don't have to worry about seeing me on the 20th, but if for some reason it doesn't, that's my next court date, so I'll see you then. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have Gregory Sproul?
Marcus Thompson?
Mr. Thompson, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Shane Aiden for the defense. Same as last time, Mr. Thompson has a felony matter that is pending. Did you just go to that?
Yes, sir. I don't know what McKinney got going on.
Okay. All right, Your Honor, I've got a note from Ms. Yeski that this is supposed to be resolved with the circuit court case. It looks like it's set for the 13th.
Of October?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, so same with you, Mr. Thompson. I'm going to continue this to October 20th. If it all gets worked out on the 13th, you don't have to worry about that court date. But if not, I'll see you then. Thank you.
13th. Yes, sir, 13th. Thank you.
You said you had Kervin St. John, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what are we doing with that case? He's not here.
No, Your Honor. I'm asking for a reset, as long as the court will allow, to to allow Mr. St. John to get a valid driver's license to show proof that may offer these states offer.
I mean, I'll go to October 20th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And how about Gregory Sproul?
Your Honor, I believe that was,
He pled in felony court, Your Honor.
yes, Your Honor.
When?
I don't know when, but the case number in the felony case is 25 CF 1527.
Okay.
What was the case number?
1527.
That would be, yeah, she does, or, may I? Mr. Long? Give me 1 second.
Yeah, that's what the state attorney told me today.
Okay.
Looks like no problem.
Long, I apologize. Anybody know anything about Long?
He's on my-
State attorney told her it's going to be today.
Yeah, 9 o'clock, and he's supposed to have another one at 1:30 this afternoon.
I don't have Mr. Long on either of my dockets.
And
I was-
it's
I was-
long, so it doesn't help.
Yes, I was sent a letter stating it was today.
Do you have the?
He was in jail. He was in jail.
So I would have recalled that KPS because he was in jail. But I don't see any other court dates after that.
No, ma'am, I don't either.
They told me.
I'm checking to see if you will.
Yeah, they told me 1:30 today.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
No, you're good. You're totally fine.
I don't. Is he still in jail? Is he out of jail?
From my understanding, he is out of jail.
Ma'am? 2670, 25 mm 2670, and 2515. I think the only thing I can do at this point is put it on for October 13th so he gets notice. So I'm not showing in the clerk system where he received notice of today's court date, and it was not officially added onto the dockets, unfortunately. So October 13th at 9 a.m., I'm going to ask the clerk to do a minute sheet and send notice directly to Mr. Long to be here on that date
Okay,
for both cases.
okay. 'Cause he's getting a notice.
All right, and
Yeah, they're arrested him this
The one that case that pled in felony, I'm showing you that case. And obviously, I'm showing you that transfer to.
This afternoon or something. I don't even think that. I don't think, oh, maybe somebody's.
ma'am?
I'm showing the case was transferred to, I don't see,
An actual plea.
the actual plea. Double checking.
So who has Gregory Sproul? Is that you?
I do, yes.
Okay, so
I'm showing it's going to be transferred to criminal, felony criminal.
that case looks like is showing in the circuit case that it's being transferred down here, not that he pled up there.
Yes, yeah.
show Angie, because,